To open SketchUp, double-click on the red SketchUp 2013 icon on your desktop and go to Template at the bottom and select your template. Select feet inches or meters. If you have any pop-up windows, just close those away. First, to use SketchUp effectively, you need to know how to navigate your screen. Scroll the mouse wheel in and out to zoom in and out, and then middle-click or hold down that middle button to rotate around your object. If you hold Shift and hold down the middle click button, then you can use the grab tool, which is the hand, and go from left to right. The first thing we'll want to do is draw the base of the house. So you can select rectangle or the R key and draw it out to the size that you want. And notice you can see the dimensions in the bottom right.
Use the push-pull command, hotkey P, to bring up your house. Orbit around and then use the pencil tool, the line tool, to draw a line across from midpoint to midpoint. It should be highlighted green and it should snap. Then you want to use the move tool, which is the 4 arrows, and click and drag up. If you don't align with the blue axis, you might have some issues. So make sure you turn around so you can see your house and find the blue axis. Once you finish that, you need to close off your roof with the 2 line tools. This makes it easier to color your house. Now we're going to draw some steps and a door. You can use the pencil tool, but it might be easier to use the rectangle tool, and you may need to zoom in some to get it more precise. Each step will be 1 rectangle, and make it a little bit smaller each time. Then put the door on top and pull out the steps. Use the eraser tool, hotkey E, to erase the little lines, which also make it look nicer and it will be easier for painting. When the door is on top, you can also pull it back just a little bit to give it a nice little effect to show that it's a door. Now we're going to make a window, and we're going to use the rectangle tool to do that. Once you draw your rectangle, use the offset tool, and then click in the middle, and then drag until you get to the right width that you want. This way we can add a frame to our window. Next, we'll apply some paint to our house. You can hit the paint bucket tool, or you can go to Window and go to Materials. Here you can select colors, or choose other categories like roofing or stone. Click it, and then click on your house. After doing the roofing, we'll apply a translucent material to the window to make it so it's see-through. Here I've painted my door, and you might also want to paint your steps. And then for some added effect, you can draw a large square around your house and give it a grass texture to make it look like it's a yard. And remember, this house is not 3D, so it won't print. Thank you.